Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Being expiry date tomorrow, what you can expect, whether it's going to be a call option or put option, which strike price will give you a maximum benefit. All these things will be discussed in this short video. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel and also my Telegram channel. Please do refer to your friends and help me to grow this a bigger one. This video is created for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your financial advisor before investment. And today it was a very narrow range because you can see yesterday I said only trade if it is trading above 1100, and it was like trading between this 1100 and then 10,100 and 10,100 to 10,040. It was like up on the upper side it went up to this 10,140, and then on the lower side it came down up to 10,040, but it has not crossed below 10,000 levels. So that put option level which I have gave yesterday has not executed, and only this call option level executed. This 10,050 CE only executed for the day because it was throughout the day it has not crossed below 10,000 mark. So it gave a kind of profit of around 32 rupees per lot, and the closing was very strong. It was a kind of the first cycle, second cycle, and then third cycle also crossed this the day high, and it also closed somewhere closer to the day high, which also indicates the momentum is strong. And on a 5-minute chart it is above the very good bullish RSI levels. So tomorrow we can expect market to be little positive. And what is there in option chain? You can see lot of unwinding happening at the call option side, especially at this 10,100 level. Almost like a 570 contract has been open interest has been unwinded, and then the total existing is around 13 lakh contract, 13 lakh open interest. And same on the same put side, it is somewhere around 16 lakh open interest. So which clearly indicates this maximum pain will be in this region, and even if it goes down below, it will be like having a very good strong support at 10,000 mark. But first of all, this breaching this 10,100 itself is a kind of good challenge for this Nifty. So tomorrow I am expecting little positive on the Nifty side. What is there with Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty is also the same. It was trading between this 20,700 to 21,000 throughout the day. It just went up to 21,000 and then came down to 20,700, and it was like almost two cycles, and on the third cycle it went up and crossed this 21,000 mark, and then went up to this 21,250. It was a kind of very good rally throughout the day. And the same thing on the Bank Nifty also. This put option was not executed, and this 20,700 executed and gave a return of around 300 points. A very good rally throughout the day. And what is there for tomorrow? Same thing here. It was a kind of very strong closing, and expecting the same thing to happen tomorrow also. The opening could be a little positive side. What is there with the option chain of Bank Nifty? So a small unwinding at the call option side, suggesting that Nifty might come up and it might touch this 21,500 levels or something. So what is there for tomorrow? On the Nifty side, if it trades and if it sustains about 10,100, go ahead with 10,100 call option. If it drops below 10,100, don't exercise both call option or put option, because put option is also very much dangerous. Or if you can exercise put option also, the levels are very clear. If it is above 10,100 levels, you can exercise 10,100 call option. And if it is below, or if it goes below 10,100, exit your call option level immediately. And you can, if you are a risky player, you can exercise 10,000 put option. And that also, if it reaches 10,000 mark, exit your put option. Don't wait for huge profits, so it will not cross below 10,000 mark. So that is how the level will be. So tomorrow you can expect some range bound between 10,100, and the upper side it can go up to 10,200, and on the lower side it can come down up to 10,000 mark. So don't expect much returns tomorrow, because there is a huge premium also. You can see it is already at 87, so which is break even should be like a closing should be somewhere around 10,200. So that is how the day is going to be. Under the same thing on the put option also, it is already below 10,000 mark. So be careful tomorrow. So if the market is above 10,100, exercise call option, otherwise don't exercise much or take much risk and go with the flow. And the same thing with bank nifty. If it sustains below 21,000 level, exercise a call option 21,100 or 20,000 call option. 21,000 call option is the best option to go tomorrow. And if it goes up to 21,500, you can exit your call option. And the same thing, if it crosses 21,000 level, exit your call option. That will be your stop loss for call option side. And if it crosses 21,000, you can exercise 21,000 put option, otherwise don't exercise. If only put option is valid if it crosses below 21,000, and you can exercise call option if it goes above, and as long as it trades about 21,100 mark up to 21,500. And the stop loss will be whenever it crosses 21,000, you have to exit your call option side. Put option only when it crosses 21,000 level. And nifty, it is very clear. Call option is when the level is above 21,100 mark, and your stop loss will be whenever it crosses the 21,100 mark, you have to exit your call option. And put option can be exercised whenever it crosses this 10,100 mark, and your stop loss will be 10,000 mark. And on the upper side, you can close your call option when it reaches somewhere closer to 10,100 mark to the 200 mark. Okay, all the very best and have a profitable and a very good expiry day tomorrow. Thanks very much. Bye and have a wonderful evening.